Center Live. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Chris Warren.
And I'm Jen Carfagno. The big thaw is still on for much of the country. And our storm specialist, Dr. Greg Postell, is here in the lab to talk about this. Because, Greg, it's warm for now, but, you know, is spring really here?
Yeah, and it depends where you are in the country. I mean, I think it's going to be warm for a while in many places. Unfortunately, the Northeast, maybe not so, and we'll talk about that more. Winter weather may be coming back into play.
We're also going to talk about, guys, another byproduct.
Especially if you're coming from, you know, Maine, where temperatures are still below freezing. Yeah, you're loving it. Look at this.
You are. In fact, Jen, if you look at the afternoon temperatures here, we're looking at...
Is this a peanut? What is this?
No, it's supposed to be a flip-flop.
Oh, it is a flip-flop.
So flip-flop weather here. However, there's a chance for umbrella weather in the afternoon. That's the problem that we're dealing with.
And there's going to be really two rounds. We'll get those thunderstorms coming in today and then again Friday. Daytona Beach looks
80s.
There is the chance of hit or miss showers. We had some yesterday.
Something you need to watch out for there. Then in Miami, if you're heading to South Florida, lower 80s, but dry.
Only one issue is that the rip current risk is very high.
Be careful at the beaches.
Yeah, be very careful at the beaches.
Swim near the lifeguards.
Exactly.
Definitely.
Right. Now, of course, we're enjoying the warmth in the south here, but it's warming up. Center Live. I'm Jen Carfagno.
And I'm Chris Warren. A lot going on. Temperature, a big story after a very cold and snowy winter. Also coming up, we're going to talk to Dr. Greg Postell about how a tropical cyclone in a different part of the world can have an impact on our weather here.
It is fascinating. We've been talking a lot, too, this
time of year, right around 70 degrees. So talking about some heat, though, Jen, some desert-like heat in Los Angeles expected.
Oh, so we're heating up big time, well above average. In fact, getting to record levels towards the end of the weekend. Sunday's a big day in LA because we've got the LA Marathon going on.
It's going to be hot.
Yeah, too hot.
Sunday, no doubt about that. It is going to be very warm.
They've actually moved up the time. They're starting it early.
Like a half an hour earlier, right? And so here it is. Today, 70 degrees in Los Angeles. About what you might expect, a little bit warmer than average. And then, boom, 17 degrees warmer than average in Los Angeles. Phoenix close to 90.
Yeah, so they typically see their first 90 to closer to the end of March. But we've got a chance. We'll come close to it by the end of this week.
So, also, could break some records. Los Angeles, Long Beach, could tie it in Burns, Oregon, Portland, Oregon. The Pacific Northwest feeling the heat as well, Jen.
All right, well, coming up, we've got the transition from winter to spring.